Hi guys, good morning. How are you doing? Today I'd like to talk about mastering the basics, and also I want to talk about mastering the advanced, because engineers really want to be the master of the advanced. But before they do that, it's a journey. How are you going to get all the way to the advanced stage? So the master of the basics, let's go back to back. So to do master the basics, I run a course which goes through all the methodology, all the processes, repetition of doing all these things. You got to cover like boiler repair, electrics, learn about boiler types, heating systems, controls, all the thermal store systems, all these things you've got to kind of one by one, all these modules, get them all in your head so you're a master of all these things. Now, this takes time. Also, you're going to have to invest in time. You will have to invest in money. Well, you will have to invest in money, because you're going to have to pay for something for you to get the knowledge. Now, knowledge is repetition. As I said, you're going to do it over and over, going through the different modules, how to get to the master of the basic stages. Now, I just want to switch gears. What I did the other day, sent out a video on the top 10 trades of the UK, showing the top 10 trades how much they earn. So, heating engineers was up there. I think they was in 5th place. Now, these guys earn obviously a lot of money, and this is the industry what we're talking about. So, if you want to be earning up to £70,000-80,000 pounds, how are you going to earn such an amount of money to earn £70,000? It's quite a lot, but it's achievable and it can be done. But you're not going to do it by just turning up and thinking you're just going to do the ACS course and that's it. Because you've got to be realistic. If you want to earn that sort of money, what you put in is what you're going to get out. So that means you're going to have to invest in yourself. You're going to have to do the time. You're going to have to do the commitment to doing mastering the basics before you can go to master the advanced. Now, the other big factor about mastering the basics and becoming to the master advanced level is your mindset. So what is your mindset like? What type of person are you? Are you the type of person who gets frustrated, got no patience, gets worked up easily, they don't want to put the time in? If that's the type of person you are, well, this isn't for you, and you're not going to get to where you want. So that means before you can even think to be earning £80,000 pounds, you've got to have the right mindset. That means you've got the determination, you've got the drive, you've got, as I said, you've got to invest in yourself, you've got to be focused. So it don't mean like you're going to just go into a Facebook group or WhatsApp group and think you're going to learn from there and become this guy who's going to be earning £80,000 a year or upwards, or making a big company. So it's going to take a lot more than that. I think you would agree with that. So if this is you've got the mindset of drive, determination, investment. That means you will see what I'm talking about. You will follow my lead, what I'm saying. That means you will invest in my Master the Basics course, because this is for you. This is for the people who want to get to the top, who want to earn the best, who want to be in that top 10 trades. So watch that video, like I said, about the top 10 trades of the UK and what you can earn, and watch all the way through, and it talks about mainly at the end for the type of person you need to be if you want to be the best. So for the people who want to do this, just click on the link or look at my website. It's masterfulengineer.co.uk. You probably won't be able to click on the link because I might be on TikTok, or it could be on YouTube as well. But if you look at my website, as I said, you can see the information, you can see the courses and subscribe for them. Now, also, I've been doing a series of videos of questions and answers. This is just to engage with you guys to start at the level of master the basics, going through these things. Also, I'll be doing some more advanced stuff at a later stage, but I'm going to go through these baby steps of getting through getting used to these little modules of mastering the basics, and then you're going to progress over time and you'll be naturally become the advanced, because it's all based on the basics and mastering repetition, going back to what you've always learned by my program. So this is what you will achieve. So that's going to be the end of this video on basically mastering the basics to moving to master the advanced. It's, as I said, it's a step by step of the modules, and you're going to, over time, you will become advanced before you even know it. So hopefully you enjoy what I just said, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.